I'm going to show you how to repair a garbage disposal that stopped working. In this instance, the pipes aren't clogged, but the garbage disposal is jammed up. So if you find this content helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. So we have our sink here and it's backed up, and when we hit the switch for the garbage disposal, nothing happens. We can see that it's plugged in and the dishwasher is on, so there's likely power getting to the disposal, but it's been tripped. And when we hit the sink, we can see that it's getting backed up. At the bottom, we can see that the red switch that can be tripped when the garbage disposal is jammed was in fact engaged. So we press that, verify that it's plugged in, then hit the switch, try the disposal, and we can hear that it's still jammed. So I turned it off real quick, and you can hear that jam noise. That's the motor trying to spin, but it can't. So we turn the power off at the circuit breaker, and then I'm gonna show you what a new garbage disposal looks like and what we're gonna try to do. So there's the top off. You can see it's kind of like a fan inside a cup that spins, it rotates, and little items and metal things can get stuck where I'm pointing right now in between the spinny part and kind of the cylinder of the garbage disposal. So you can see I'm gonna spin it. That's how the garbage disposal normally works, and something can get jammed in there. So we really just need to spin it and free what's ever jammed in there. So what I do is I take my vice grips, and for some reason it just works really good. I stick it down in there and it grabs one of those shredding teeth that the garbage disposal uses to tear up the food, and I just spin it. I reach down there, I try to pull things out, and I just try to move it. I keep going back and forth, both directions, trying to get whatever's stuck in there. It could be as thin as a piece of steel wool or maybe even a bottle cap, but you keep working at it until you feel like you've freed it up and it can spin freely when you rotate it, and you've pulled the obstruction out or made it fall through the drain. You can then turn the power back on, hit the switch at the garbage disposal, and hopefully you find, just like this, that it's cleared up and the water is draining just fine. So just a reminder, there's that red switch underneath the garbage disposal, which will disengage it from working, and also make sure it's plugged in and you're getting power. And while this garbage disposal is a little noisy, it's gonna work just fine. And we're all done here. So if you found this content helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment and I'll answer it right away.